Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the essential chicken farming checklist for 2025. Whether you're a seasoned farmer or just starting out, this guide will help you raise healthy and happy chickens sustainably. Before starting your chicken farming journey, planning your flock is essential. Begin by identifying your goals. Are you raising chickens for eggs, meat, or as pets? Each purpose requires different breeds, so it's crucial to choose wisely. For example, Leghorns are prolific egg layers, Cornish Cross is ideal for meat, and Silkies make wonderful companions. Next, consider your local climate and select breeds that thrive in it to ensure their health and productivity. Don't forget to calculate your space needs. Each chicken requires at least 2 to 3 square feet inside the coop and 8 to 10 square feet in the run. Proper planning sets the foundation for a thriving and happy flock. Designing and setting up your chicken coop is a critical step in ensuring your flock's safety and comfort. A well-built coop should be predator-proof, offering sturdy walls, secure latches, and a wire mesh that prevents unwanted visitors. Proper ventilation is key to maintaining airflow and reducing moisture, which helps prevent respiratory issues. Inside, provide 2 to 3 square feet per chicken and equip the coop with nesting boxes, 1 box for every 3 to 4 hens, lined with clean bedding for egg laying. Add roosting bars for nighttime perching, ensuring they are at least 2 feet off the ground. Outside the coop, include a spacious run with 8 to 10 square feet per bird, allowing them to forage and exercise safely. Don't forget easy access for cleaning and maintenance. Your chickens will thrive in a clean, functional, and secure environment. Proper nutrition is the cornerstone of raising healthy, productive chickens. Start with a high-quality, balanced poultry feed tailored to your chicken's age and purpose, whether for egg laying, meat production, or growth. Layer hens, for example, need feed rich in calcium for strong eggshells. Supplement their diet with fresh kitchen scraps, grains, and greens like spinach, but be cautious. Some foods, like chocolate, raw beans, and avocado, are toxic to chickens. Always provide clean, fresh water daily, as dehydration can quickly affect their health and productivity. For extra health benefits, consider adding grit or crushed oyster shells to aid digestion and calcium intake. A balanced diet not only keeps your flock thriving but also ensures nutrient-rich eggs and strong, happy birds. Maintaining your flock's health begins with proactive care and strong biosecurity measures. Regularly observe your chickens for signs of illness, such as changes in appetite, drooping posture, or unusual behaviors, and address issues promptly. Schedule routine health checks and vaccinations as recommended by local poultry experts. To minimize the risk of disease, implement biosecurity practices such as cleaning and disinfecting the coop and equipment weekly, using foot baths at coop entrances, and limiting contact with wild birds that can spread diseases. Always quarantine new or sick birds for at least 2 weeks before introducing them to your flock. These steps are essential to creating a healthy, thriving environment for your chickens and protecting their well-being year-round. Incorporating sustainable practices into your chicken farming not only benefits your flock but also supports the environment. Start by composting chicken manure to create nutrient-rich fertilizer for your garden while reducing waste. Utilize a rainwater harvesting system to provide clean water for your chickens and conserve resources. Feed your flock leftover vegetable scraps and garden trimmings to minimize food waste and lower feeding costs. Consider investing in energy-efficient tools, like solar-powered coop lighting or automatic feeders, to reduce your carbon footprint. Rotate your flock's foraging area to promote soil regeneration and prevent overgrazing. By embracing sustainability, you'll create a harmonious system where your chickens, garden, and environment thrive together. For an in-depth look at sustainable chicken farming, check out a comprehensive guide to sustainable backyard chicken farming by Green Profit Cultivate. This ebook is your ultimate resource for raising healthy, happy, and eco-friendly flocks. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced farmer, it's packed with expert tips on choosing the best breeds, designing sustainable coops, optimizing nutrition, and implementing eco-friendly practices. With clear instructions, practical advice, and illustrations, this guide empowers you to create a thriving backyard farm. Don't miss out. Click the link in the description to grab your copy today and start building your dream flock. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out our other videos and subscribe for more content. Happy chicken keeping!